It's very easy to import contacts into your account. And so to do this, we're going to go to Contacts, Import Contacts. And this is a great way for you to be able to add many contacts into your account at one time. And so you have the option to copy and paste, which is of course just as it sounds, copying and pasting your contact list into the box here with some instructions on how to format that and some examples as well. You also can utilize the Another Service option, which is where if you have an account with any of the services you see here, you could integrate your account with them with GetResponse and automatically import the contacts or leads you have with them over to GetResponse. And then probably a more typical way is to simply upload a file of your contacts. So you just upload a file that you have on your computer. Please ensure that the file of your contacts is in one of these formats so you can ensure that it will be accepted properly. And now we'll just go ahead and upload it. So I'm going to choose Browse. And here is my import example. So you can see it is in one of the formats we've got there. You also need to click that you give word that your list is permission based. So as hopefully you all know that you cannot import any list to GetResponse that you've purchased or that you not have permission from these subscribers to send them your messages. So you need to click here to ensure and give us your promise basically that the list is permission based and in accordance with our anti-spam policy as well. So I'm going to click Import Contacts. And here is where you're going to configure your import. So based on the fields that you had included on that file, you can come up, see the data that was pulled up, and you'll be able to map it basically. So of course it automatically saw that there was an email address here, which is of course what they are. And then we had a column with names. And so you could either choose to do not import that if you don't need it, or I'm going to actually just drop down this menu and choose name. So that's how this little piece of data will be mapped. You also have the option to add a new custom field if you would like as well, in case you had some additional data on that file, but we don't in this example. There's of course advanced settings along the way should you need them. We'll go to next step. And simply choose your import settings, so which campaign in your account these contacts should be added to. So I can say, for example, I want it to be this campaign. And also you'll dictate here if you want to add these particular contacts into your autoresponder cycle or not. And so you'd simply check the box and choose what day of the cycle they should be added to, or leave it unchecked and they will not be added to the autoresponder cycle for the campaign that you've chosen. Yet again, there are some advanced options you can choose to utilize as well, should you need to. And then finally, we're just going to click Finish Import. And there you go. So you can see, congratulations, you have successfully imported 5 contacts, so that's great. And so what this means is that you've successfully added them, but what is going to happen from this point is that automatically your list was sent to the compliance team for a quick check just to make sure that the list doesn't contain too many, bounced email addresses, old, non-working email addresses that cannot be added. So this shouldn't take much time at all, usually just a matter of a couple of hours, or if it's a small list like this, just a few minutes for the automated process to be checked. And you can keep an eye on it if you would like via, let's see here, Statistics, Import Statistics. And if you choose, of course, the right campaign that you imported them into, you can see the different imports that you have for that campaign and their status. We've got some other resources as well that fully define the import statistics and the different statuses, but just as a quick little reminder here for this import video, you can check out the status of your import via Statistics, Import Statistics. But just like that, it's that easy. You've successfully imported your list, and within the matter of a couple of minutes or maybe just a couple of hours, your list will be fully available for you to use and send your mailings.